Exercise 6.3, question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. The first number is 252. Okay, our question is find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Look at this number. This number is not a perfect square. The last digit is 2. The numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. It's not a perfect square. To make 252 a perfect square, first we will do prime factorization. We have to find the factors of 252. First we draw a line like this. 252 is divisible by first prime number 2. Which are the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, etc. Okay, these are the prime numbers. Okay, this number is divisible by 2. In 2, 1 times. In 5, 2 times. Remaining 12 is 6 times. And this number is divisible by 2. 12 is 6 times. In 6, 3 times. And 63. 63 is not divisible by 2. We have to take next prime number 3. In 6, 2 times. In 3, 1 times. 21 is divisible by 3. 7 times, and 7 is also divisible by 7 in 1 times. Okay, this means that square root of 252, which is equal to square root of, then you write these numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Look at the right hand side. 2 and 3 have pairs, but 7 has no pair. If we multiply with 7, then we will have a pair of 7. Right hand side, I will multiply with 7. If any change is done in right hand side, we have to do same in left hand side. Okay, left hand side, I will multiply with 7. When you write square root of 252 into 7, that is 1764, which is equal to, we will make pairs. This is first pair and this is second pair and this one is third pair. Then we will choose one number from each pair, 2 into 3 into 7, which is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 7, 42. 42 is the answer. The next number 180. First we have to find the factors of 180. This is divisible by 2, 18, 9 times, then 0. Okay, this is divisible by 2, 9 is 4 times, and the remaining 1, 10, 5 times, and it is divisible by 3, 4, 1 times, and the remaining 1, 15, that is 5 times, and it's divisible by 3. 15 is 5 times, and 5 is divisible in 5 1 times. That means square root of 180, which is equal to square root of, then you write these all numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 and 3 have pairs. 5 has no pair. If we multiply with 5, then we will have a pair of 5. I will multiply with 5 in both sides. Square root of 180 into 5, which is equal to 900, which is equal to, we will make pair, this first pair, second pair and third pair. Choose one number from each pairs. That means 2 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. Okay, the question is which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. That means 5. If multiplied with 5 as to get a perfect square number, the next one, find the square root of the square number. The square root of 900, that is 30. This is the answers. Answer is 5, 30. The next number 1008. First we will prime factorization, which is divisible by the first prime number 2, 10, that is 5 times, 0, then you write 0. 84 times, it's divisible by 2. In 5, 2 times, remaining 1. 10, 5 times. 4, 2 times, it is divisible by 2. Into 1 times. In 5, 2 times, the remaining 1. 12, that is 6 times, it's divisible by 2. 12 is 6 times. 6, 3 times. 63 is not divisible by 2. You have to take next prime number 3. In 6, 2 times. In 3, 1 times. And the next one, it's 21 is divisible by 3. 7 times. And 7 is divisible in 7 1 times. That means square root of 1008, which is equal to square root of, then you write these all numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Look at the right hand side. 2, 2 and 3 have pairs, but 7 has no pair. If we multiply with the 7, then we will have a pair of 7. Both side I will multiply with the 7, because if any change is done in right hand side, we have to do same in left hand side. Answer 1008 into 7, which is equal to 7056, which is equal to, we will make pairs, first pair, second pair, third pair, and this one is fourth pair. We will choose one number from each pairs, that means 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, which is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 7, that is 84. 84 is the answer. And find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied, that is 7. 7 is multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. And find the square root of the square number, that is 84. 7 and 84 is the answer. Next number 2028. First we do prime factorization. It's divisible by 2. 2 into 1 times, then you write 0 into 1 times, 8 4 times, and it is also divisible by 2. 10 5 times, 1 is not divisible by 2, then you mark 0. It is considered as 14. 14 is in 14 7 times, and this one is divisible by 3. In 5 1 times, and remaining 2 26 times, and the remaining 2 27 9 times. 169 is not divisible by the next prime number 5, and it is divisible by 13 into 13, which is equal to 169. Okay, 169 is divisible by 13 in 13 times, and 13 is divisible in 13 in 1 times. You have to write square root of 2028, which is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. Okay, look at this one. 2 and 13 have pair, but 3 has no pair. We will multiply 3 in both sides, which is equal to 2028 into 3, which is equal to 6084, which is equal to, we will make pair. This is one pair, and these 3 and these 3 are another pair, and this one is another pair. And you write, we will choose one number from each pairs, 2 into 3 into 13, which is equal to 2 into 3 6, 6 into 13, that is 78. 78 is the answer. The answer is 3,78. The next number 1458. You have to find the factors of this number. It's divisible by 2. Okay, 14 7 times, 5 2 times, remaining 1 18 9 times, and it's not divisible by 2. We will take another prime number 3. In 7 2 times, and this 12 is 4 times, 9 3 times, it is divisible by 3. 24 8 times, in 3 1 times, It's also divisible by 3. In 8 2 times, the remaining 2 21 7 times. 27 is divisible by 3. 27 9 times, and 9 is divisible by 3 3 times. 3 is divisible in 3 1 times, okay, which is equal to square root of 1458, which is equal to square root of 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into, okay, 6 3s. Look at this one. This is first pair, and this one is second pair, and this one is third pair. All three has pairs, but 2 has no pair. So both sides we have to multiply with 2, which is equal to square root of 1458 into 2, which is equal to 2916. First we will make pairs. Okay, this is one pair. Then you write one number from each pairs. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18, 18 into 3, that is 54. 54. The answer is 2 and 54. This is next number 768. In 7 3 times, remaining 168 times, and 8 4 times, it's divisible by 2. In 3 1 times, remaining 118 9 times. In 4 2 times, it's also divisible by 2. 19 9 times. The remaining 1 12 6 times, and it's divisible by 2. 9 4 times, remaining 168 times. Okay, it's divisible by 2. In 4 2 times. In 8 4 times, it's divisible by 2. 1 times. In 2 1 times. In 4 2 times, it's divisible by 2. 12 6 times. 6 is divisible by 2 3 times. 3 is divisible in 3 1 time. Then you write the numbers. Square root of 768, which is equal to square root of, then you write these all numbers. How many? 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 3. This is first pair. All 2 has pairs, but the 3 has no pair. Okay, we will multiply 3 by both sides into 3. This side I will multiply with 3, and the left hand side I will multiply with 3, which is equal to square root of 768 into 3 1604, which is equal to, we will make pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, and this one is fifth pair. This 3 and this 3 are other pairs. Okay, we will choose one number from each pairs. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, from all pairs I will choose one number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Into last pair I will choose one number, that is 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 3 48. Okay, the answer is 3 and 48.